Sean Combs faces 5 new allegations as judge orders prosecutors to discard evidence. On Tuesday, 3 men and 2 women accused the rapper of drugging and abusing them. Meanwhile, prosecutors, who had obtained documentation from the musician's prison cell, were ordered by the judge to discard it following the defense's insistence. It has been an intense week in the case of Sean Combs, the rapper known as Puff Daddy. In mid-September, a grand jury accused him of sex trafficking, conspiracy, and transportation for prostitution. The musician, who has been accused of harassment, abuse, and rape by approximately 150 individuals, appeared in court on Tuesday in New York alongside his lawyers. They argued that prosecutors were using private documents from Combs' cell in their investigation, prompting the judge to order the destruction of those materials. Just hours later, 5 new lawsuits were filed against him. The allegations, made public Tuesday night, were filed by 2 women and 3 men, all of whom have chosen to remain anonymous. They claimed the alleged crimes took place between 2001 and 2022 in both New York and Miami, Florida. All 5 accused the rapper of drugging and abusing them. They are represented by Texas attorney Tony Busby, who announced on October 1st that more than 120 people had filed lawsuits against Combs for sexual assault and abuse. Also on Tuesday, Busby received a lawsuit from a celebrity and public figure residing in Los Angeles, accusing him of attempting to capitalize on the allegations against Combs, falsely presenting himself as a friend of the rapper based on event appearances, and blatantly attempting to extort exorbitant sums through horrible and utterly false accusations, in a calculated attempt to destroy the individual's reputation. According to CNN, this celebrity remains anonymous. Regarding the 5 new lawsuits against the musician, known as Diddy, the first male accuser from Texas, traces his allegations back to October 2001 during an audition for one of Combs' music videos. He claims Combs, one of his bodyguards, and a Caucasian man raped him, alleging that they drugged him by lacing a soft drink, as he remembers losing consciousness. The second male accuser, a Georgia resident, alleges Combs abused him after being drugged at a party at the rapper's New York home in 2022 when he was 39 years old. The third incident, also in 2022, occurred at a party in Miami, with similar claims of being drugged and raped. Among the 2 women, one, a Texas native, states she was a minor, just 17 years old, when the alleged incident occurred during a 4th of July party at Combs Hampton's home. She says she lost consciousness, woke up in significant pain, and was threatened by Combs and his bodyguards to leave the event. The other woman, from Maryland, claims she was 18 at the time of the alleged assault when Combs and his security team invited her into a car following a Halloween party in New York. She alleges that she was drugged and forced to perform oral sex on the men in the vehicle. Before these lawsuits were made public, Combs attended a hearing before Judge Arun Subramanian. Wearing a prison khaki outfit and appearing slightly thinner, he was not shackled this time, as requested by his lawyers. His defense team formally complained that the prosecution was using notes, 11 pages, plus another 8 from a journal, seized from Combs' cell during a raid conducted to search for drugs or contraband. According to these notes, Combs allegedly sought to use his family network of collaborators to contact witnesses to influence them to support him. His lawyers argue they do not understand how these documents ended up in the prosecution's hands. It has been an absolute institutional failure, said Mark Agnifilo, the lead defense attorney. Agnifilo hinted that such misconduct could result in the dismissal of charges or the recusal of the prosecution team. Although prosecutors maintain the materials, family notes, phone numbers, and inspirational phrases were obtained through appropriate channels, had been filtered, and did not contain private content, the judge ultimately ordered their disposal. This marks the first legal victory for Combs' team after his bail request of $50 million was denied twice. Sean Combs, 55, faces potential sentences that could see him spending the rest of his life in prison following more than 150 accusations. The first surfaced a year ago, in mid-November 2023, when his former partner, singer Cassie Ventura, sued him for harassment, abuse, rape, and physical assault. That case was settled within a day after reaching an out-of-court agreement. Since then, a steady stream of allegations has triggered an FBI investigation and the September grand jury indictment on 3 serious charges following evidence evaluation. Combs remains in a New York prison awaiting trial, scheduled for May 5th. We've reached the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like. It really helps the channel. Also, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future content. Now, I want to hear from you. What did you think of the video? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to read and reply. See you in the next one.